Green tea is a popular drink in many countries, and it is also used for beauty purposes. There are many benefits of drinking green tea, but it is most commonly known for its ability to aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and suppressing appetite. The process of making green tea involves steeping the leaves in hot water to make a concentrated liquid extract. The amount of time it steeps varies depending on the desired strength and flavor profile, as well as how finely ground the leaves are. It can be consumed either hot or cold and comes in many varieties including black, oolong, pure, white and green teas. Green tea is made up primarily of polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that help fight against free radicals in our bodies that contribute to aging and other diseases. Green tea also contains caffeine, which can boost metabolism and suppress appetite while increasing mental alertness. The main chemical compound in green tea is caffeine, about 20 milligrams per 8-ounce cup. It has been proven that drinking green tea can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reduce risk of cardiovascular diseases and cancer, and improve liver function. It also boosts metabolism by helping you burn more fat cells. Green tea and honey are a good combination for a healthy lifestyle. They are rich in antioxidants, which can help fight free radicals in the body. The antioxidant properties of green tea are also linked to reducing the risk of cancer and heart disease. Honey is also rich in antioxidants and is a natural sweetener that helps reduce sugar cravings. There are many benefits to using green tea as a beauty product. It helps with skin hydration, it can help reduce acne breakouts, and it can help you get rid of blackheads. Green tea has antioxidants that help prevent aging and even cancer cells. It also is great for people who have sensitive skin or those who are allergic to other ingredients in facial products. Green tea has been shown to be effective in treating acne because it can reduce inflammation and kill bacteria on the skin surface that may be contributing to acne breakouts. It is also a natural source of vitamin C, which helps protect against sun damage, as well as provide antioxidant protection against environmental pollutants like smog and cigarette smoke.